love this pole. Usually don't let you down, you know, it's just a good pull. Caster. I maybe lost a fish once or twice, but not too many, you know. Yeah, I lose a fish on this bad boy. At least big, good one. Time to go. Shad, brings me a great shad just to inform everybody that I did lose a good fish. This pole's got to go. This pole's got to go. It's always the pole's fault. Never your fault. It's the pole's fault. Always pole's fault. Breaks my heart, but she's got to go. You want to get rid of your fishing pole? This is the right way to do it right here. Safety equipment is essential. That's why I got the proper contact lens protection, foot protection, nipple protection.